Yes, hello everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you block spam emails in your Gmail account. So you may be receiving unwanted emails in your Gmail account. You may be receiving unwanted marketing, promotions, emails, and social emails on your account, and you want to block them so that they don't also make your inbox free, so that you can be missing the important email in your account. As you can see, I have now about 816 emails total, which are all in my inbox. And also, if you are going to be checking the date I received all these emails, you can see on January 19th, you can see I received about also, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you see I received 9 emails on the same day. And also, if you all check them, you can see that there is no important emails from these ones. You can also see on 18th I received 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see how I may also receive about 10 emails a day, which are from professional or also promotional accounts, promotional platforms, and also other platforms outside which I don't want and which I don't even have interest to. So you may be asking yourself, how can you block this so that they are not going to be showing again your inbox account? This is what you are going to be seeing in this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel CV, like this video, share this with your friends, and if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So now let's get started. So to be able to block these spam emails from our account, also this is what you have to do. So let me for example go to setting. We want to be going to setting first of all. Once you reach to settings, you can see here, that is where I want to be doing the next steps. So then you have to click all settings option. So once you click all setting options, you can see now we are on this account. We are here on these options where you can find accounts and reports. What we need to do here, we need to go with here on this option, which is also filters and block addresses. So if we go to filters and block the addresses, that is where we can see how what addresses do we have in our account which are blocked to display the emails in our account. We can see also the filters. We have filtered from our Gmail account so that we can be receiving important emails only. So what I need to do now here is that I'm going to be clicking on also create new filter. So now you have to choose here, create new filter. So once done, you can see I have this one filter that also I can delete it. So let me delete this filter one I have, then you start new one. So what you need to do, we are now going to be creating a new filter so that we are not going to be receiving against also the emails we don't want from also the marketing emails, the promotional emails that we don't want to receive in our inbox. So you have to click on this option, which is also about creating a new filter. So, or if you have filters to import, you can be creating clicking on the import filters. But if you don't have one, it's okay. That is where I want to be also blocking this one. As you can see, I have already blocked this one, which is the address which is blocked. But also I want to be creating a new one also to be able to block all promotional emails. So before going on, let's come back to inbox and see if you are going to be seeing all these emails. For example, I see this is a Quora. So if this is a Quora now, you can see I have these promotional emails, and you can see it has the unsubscribe option. So if I go to the second one, you can see also it has an unsubscribe option. So if I go to the third one, even the fourth one, you can see it has also an subscribe option. So that means all are marketing emails and I don't want them. So you will be telling yourself whether it is marketing emails, because it has an unsubscribe option, which means you can choose to unsubscribe or to continue receiving these updates. But as you can see, I have a lot of emails and I cannot manage to be unsubscribing to each and email at the same time. That is going to be costing me a lot of time. That is the reason why I have to come here and also create a new filter and also be able to block every email. So what I am going to do now is that I'm going to be clicking here. You see, you can block the email address from this is also the specific email as this one I have created here, but because we want to be blocking all the emails which are marketing emails at the same time, we are going to be putting here unsubscribe. So if the email is having the unsubscribe words, that is where it is going to be also unsubscribe words. That is where it's going to be automatically also following the filters we are creating now. What you need to do, you can be choosing either has attachment or doesn't has attachment. It's okay. It all depends on what you want. But you can use here from or to when you want to be blocking the email from a specific address. Also, if the subject, if you want so to block the email which consists or which is having the given subject you already know, that is where you have to put the subject here for that email you want to block. So if it doesn't have something unique, that is also where you have to use this option. But for us, we are blocking any kind of email which is having any unsubscribe words. Unsubscribe words means that it is marketing email, and also it will be from the filters we are doing. So now I have to create a new filter or create a filter. So because I'm also confirming that I had to create a filter, they are giving me the other options that I have to confirm. Either choose whether I want to keep that email, whether I can send that email into the given folder, whether I can also mark the email as important, never mark as important. What I need to do here is that I need to be ticking delete it. So what does it mean here? So it means that once the email is coming also and consisting the unsubscribe words, that is where it is always going to be deleting it itself. So then I have also to create a filter. So after creating a filter, that is where we're going to be seeing it here. Here is the matches, which means if it has an unsubscribe words, it's going to be deleting it automatically. So, but you have to remember that whatever email you delete or whatever email that is deleted, it is not going to be automatically deleted from your Gmail account. It is going to be going to trash. Either you delete it manually or you delete it in this way by filtering options. This means that it will be in trash for 40 days, so that you can go and delete it permanently, but it will not come in box to disturb you. So if the spams or marketing emails are more in your inbox, also can be not effective, because you may even miss the important emails because you have a lot of emails in your Gmail account to read. By having also the simple and few important emails that you want to read, to follow up, it will be easier for you to get updated and also for communication. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel TV. Turn on the bell button is so that you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. Also, if you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in our comment section.